वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। हारधवरा या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा। नमो 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 सरस्वती मां। नमो 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 सरस्वती मां।
Thank you, Honorable Chief Guest and respected dignitaries. Give a big round of applause, everyone.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः। शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः। शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर् दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापम्।
Thank you, Honorable Chief Guest and respected dignitaries.
So let's start prize distribution ceremony of meritorious students of standard 1st and 2nd for the academic year 2023-24. May I now request Honorable Chief Guest, respected President Ma'am and all the dignitaries to do the honors. From standard 1st, the first rank secured by Anvit Mayur Kandi with 99.50%. Congratulations, Anvit. Second rank goes to Jigisha Amit Bora, 99.20%. Jigisha Amit Bora, she has secured 99.20%. Third rank goes to Sarang Gokul Taralkar with 98.70%. Congratulations, Sarang. Third rank goes to Swarnim Rohit Lohade with 98.70%. Congratulations, Sarang. Third rank goes to Swarnim Rohit Lohade with 98.70%. Very good, Swarnim. Fourth rank goes to Maitreya Hemant Zile with 97.30%. Congratulations, Swarnim. Fourth rank, Maitreya Hemant Zile. Congratulations, Maitreya. Fifth rank goes to Rudra Surendra Singh Jaghao, 96.40%. Congratulations, Rudra. From standard second, the toppers, first 5 toppers are first Swayam Krishna Pawar. He has secured 99.33%. Congratulations, Swayam. Second rank goes to Pranshu Pritesh Deshmukh with 98.48%. Parents, give a big round of applause for these students. They have put in their hard work and dedication throughout the year. Third rank goes to Riya Ramesh Garale with 98.33%. Third rank goes to Sarvadna Yogesh Chavan with 98.33%. Congratulations, Riya. Fourth rank secured by Anushka Ashok Badade with 98.25%. Sarvadnya Anushka Ashok Badare, she has secured 4th rank with 98.25%. Congratulations, Anushka. 5th rank goes to Swara Ramesh Kakade with 98.16%. Congratulations, Swara. Our school is conducting Little Scholars course and foundation course for the students of standard 1st to 10th who want to excel in academics, and the merit holders of Little Scholars course for the academic year 2023-24 are from standard 1st Shravya Santosh Kadepure and from standard 2nd Sanvi Santosh Avhale. Congratulations, Shravya. And from standard 2nd, Sanvi Santosh Avhale, she has secured 1st rank in Little Scholars course. Congratulations, Sanvi. Success comes with the commitment, discipline, consistency and regularity. 100% attendance credit not only goes to the students but also to their parents. Here we will appreciate the student who was present throughout the academic year 2023-24, and from standard 2nd, Grishma Santosh Kharse, she was present for throughout the year. Not a single day she was absent in the school. Congratulations, Grishma. Thank you, everyone.
May I now request to respected Principal Ma'am to announce the special award.
A very good afternoon once again. I am here to announce the Best Teacher Award for the primary section. As we have in every academic year, 3 best teachers are declared for the academic year last one, that is 23-24, primary section, secondary section and senior secondary section. the best teacher award is given to the teaching staff, whether they are teaching the regular subjects or they are teaching a subject related to hobby. So it is based on regularity, innovative practices, involvement, initiative taken, parents and students' feedback, and regularity is most important for a teacher. And this year, the academic year 23-24, the best teacher award for primary section goes to Mrs. Prajakta Sachin Kedare ma'am. I request Prajakta Kedare ma'am to please come on the stage, and I request the family members of Prajakta ma'am to please come on the dais and to receive this prestigious award of best teacher for the primary section for the academic year 2023-24. Ma'am has joined the school in 2011. She has almost completed 12 to 13 years, and I find the family members of Prajakta ma'am are there. I request them also to come on the stage to receive, and this very prestigious moment for a teacher to receive the best teacher award is very important. Ma'am is teaching music to classes 1 to 10. She is also conducting music hobby for the students of 5th to 10th standard, as well as she is head of the department of music, and she is preparing the students to participate in various inter-school competitions. And I would like to mention here that in Lokmat Campus Club, which is one of the most prestigious event, our school gets top 3 prizes. Any one prize of top 3 is for PSB English School, and that is undoubtedly the great efforts taken by the music department under the leadership of our HOD of music, Prajakta Kedare ma'am. I request all the dignitaries to please congratulate the family members on behalf of this great achievement. Heartiest congratulations to you all. This is a moment of great pride, audience. Please put your hands together and give huge round of applause for our best teacher from primary section, Mrs. Prajakta Kedare ma'am. I request Kedare ma'am to please express her view.
Good afternoon, Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable School Management, respected dignitaries, respected parents, and my lovely students. It is very hard for me to put these feelings into words. I am thrilled to express my words in a speech on such a momentous occasion of my life. I am honored to receive this award, and I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to everyone involved. Your encouragement has been instrumental in my success. First of all, I would like to thank to Almighty God for the incredible blessings have bestowed on my life. I express my heartfelt gratitude to Honorable President Ma'am and Vice President Sir. I am genuinely grateful for the opportunities you have provided. I look forward to continued success under your leadership. I am grateful for the opportunity to work under your guidance. Thank you for your constant support and leadership. Thank you so much, respected trustee sir, for giving us caring and safe environment. I express my sincere gratitude to respected administrator ma'am. Thank you ma'am for your unwavering belief in my abilities and for providing me with the resources and encouragement to be the best teacher I can be. Thank you, respected principal ma'am, for your constant encouragement and belief in my potential. I thank you, respected vice principal ma'ams, for motivating and inspiring me time to time. My big thank to respected primary head ma'am for your main part in my best teacher journey. Your leadership and guidance have made me positive impact. Thank you so much, respected cultural coordinator ma'am, for your constant support. I would like to thank my family members for supporting and cooperating in my best teacher journey. I thank to my better half who is always by my side. I thank you to my lovely children who are my source of strength and comfort. Thank you all my dear colleagues to be always supportive. My big thank to my dear students, because of you all, I am here today. Thank you once again for this honor, and I promise to continue striving to be the best teacher I can be. Thank you.